The L connector is used for joining two pieces of track together in an L configuration, something like this. You're going to insert one end into the track using the correct polarity here. And the other end into the other track. Once that's on, you'll tighten that down. Now, the L connector does have a knockout in the back. It can also be used as a power feed, so you don't need a canopy or a live end. You can knock this out and feed power directly into the back. One thing to know, just pull that apart again, about the L connector is that because it's not symmetrical, you have two contacts, one side and one on the other. Sometimes you need your L to go the opposite way. And it's possible to do that with the L connector by unscrewing it. You can actually bend the L the opposite direction and put it back together. If you find that in your installation, once you've got your track up, you need the L to go the other direction, you can simply pop it open and reverse the direction. For power feed, the ground connects here, and you're going to feed your live and neutral to one of these screws, to the appropriate screws. To learn more about our product line and more information about LED lighting and the applications, please visit our website at lumicrest.com and give us a call. We are very happy to help you with your LED lighting and answer any of your questions.